are getting hit with lots and lots of snow in the Adirondacks. So perfect time to head out and enjoy the snow. I'm gonna go put on my snow pants. Yeah. There's our puppy Phelan. Phelan, this is your first snow. Are we excited? Are we excited for the first snow? Well, lots of snow. Yeah. So the snow right now is up to my knees. Let me show you. There's my knee. Phelan! She's so excited. Well, she gets a little rough. I don't think that's how you do a snow angel. Nope. You gotta do the wave thing. Is it a little cold? Yeah. There you go.